CRKT.
The M16 14SFG designed by Kit Carson has a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual-grind blade has a Tonto tip which is excellent for penetration and exclusive patented VEF serrations which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
The Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs. This is the Smith & Wesson Border Guard SWBG-10S Liner Lock Folding Knife. Built for your most demanding tasks, yet weighing only 6 ounces, the SWBG-10S is a rugged, compact folding knife designed for versatile everyday carry. Forged from stone-washed 7CR17 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, the SWBG-10S features a partially serrated 3.5-inch Tonto-style blade, emblazoned with the iconic Smith & Wesson logo. The SWBG-10S is quickly deployed and ready for action, using the ambidextrous thumb knobs or index flipper. Slice through the toughest material, using the part serrated edge, reserving the sharp, fine portion of the blade for detailed slicing, cutting, and carving tasks. Stone-washed and crafted from stainless steel, the handle sports topside jimping as well as black textured and grooved G10 inserts that provide a comfortable and slip-free grip even when wet from rain or sweat. Integrated into the rear of the knife, the strap cutter and glass breaker allow the SWBG-10S to double as an emergency rescue tool. Carry the SWBG-10S with confidence, either secured on a belt or attached to the inside of a pocket thanks to a tough spring clip. A multifunctional knife made for everyday carry, the SWBG-10S Liner Lock Folding Knife is a tough, rugged and ready cutting tool designed for professionals.